EAS systems are going off. There's no dash deck screen. Where the hell is it at?
Message is transmitted at the request of Tennessee Bureau of Investigation. An Amber Alert has been issued on behalf of the Sumner County Sheriff.
There's no dash deck screen.
Sebastian is a 15-year-old white male.
There's no dash deck screen.
120 pounds with brown hair and brown.
What the hell is this?
Sebastian was last seen on February 26, 2024 in the area of Stafford Court in Hendersonville, Tennessee. Sebastian was last seen wearing a black sweatshirt, black sweatpants, and glasses. Sebastian has a medical condition that may impair his ability to return safely without assistance. If you have seen Sebastian or have information regarding his whereabouts, please contact the Sumner County Emergency Communications Center at 615-451-3838 or the Trace PI 180 or Trace PIFIND.
No way you tell me to shut up, bro. I swear.